how to use WeChat Pay outside of China. It is absolutely possible to use WeChat Pay outside China as well. We can just open WeChat first and we can come to the Me tab from the bottom right and go to Pay and Services. The first thing we want to do is we want to add an international bank card. For that, once you come to Services, go to the Wallets tab, go to Bank Cards and make sure to add an international bank card in this case. And once you've added a card like Visa, Master, Amex, Credit, Debit or Discover card or so on, you can come back and you can also make sure to verify your identity. So to receive money also, right, because WeChat is not only about sending but also about receiving, you can go to this Money tab over here and you can go to Receive Money. When you're here, it is going to ask you to verify your identity. So you can verify your identity using even the international ID type. So it doesn't have to be limited to your own account. So for Chinese mainland citizens or for Hong Kong and other citizens, or for non-Chinese citizens like overseas or Chinese, you can use a passport, or you can use PRC's Foreign Permanent Resident ID if you're residing in China permanently, but you can use an international passport as well. Enter all the document information to be able to fill them and confirm the verification to use WeChat Pay even outside of China. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.